Hello, today I show you how to use new Burn Photoshop action. And firstly some recommendation for optimal use of action. Use only light photos that the effect was more impressive and beautiful. And second, use a good quality pictures. I recommend using a photo with a resolution of at least 2000 pixels for best effect. Okay, first of all, do this operation. First step, make sure you are using the English version of Photoshop. If you use version with another language, watch the video how to change language. The link under this video. Second step, go to Image, Mode and check the RGB color and 8-bit channel. And last step, just for CS5 and highest versions, click on menu icon at the right on Layers panel and go to the panel options and check the Add Copy to copied layers and groups. Okay, that's all. Now, how to use action. First, open your image, and one more important thing. Your photo needs to have the background view. So, if your photo have this view, you just need to select photo, then go to the layer, new, and select background from layer. Now it's okay. Okay, second, you need to make more space for the fire. How it's to do? Select the crop tool and just scale the frame. Okay. Next step, open the action. For that, go to the window, actions, click on menu icon at the right and choose load actions. Then find the action on your computer. In my case, I use CS6 version of Photoshop, so I chosen CS6. Okay. Then create a new layer and name it area. And please don't use caps lock. Area. Paint on this layer the area that you need to focus. You can use any colors, not matter what color do you use. Okay. I'm little scrolled this step. And now, when you painted the area, find action on the action list, then open it and click play. Play. Then the Photoshop asks you, now need to select file image in the load folder. You can scale and rotate the image. Place the file so that it covered the object. Okay. Open the file. And place it. Wait a few minutes, then Photoshop make all actions. Speed of action work depends on the power of your computer. Then you can change the colors and contrast if you need. You can also change the background color. For closing all groups, make a right click on the arrow and click Open Other Groups. Then click on arrow again and click Close all other groups. Okay, now all groups are closed. After these actions, you can change the image color options, like change color to all image, or gradient to all image. You can use any colors. And you can change the contrast of image. Of course, you can change the color of burns. You can add more burns with more burns group. And you can add more burns using layer mask. Just paint layer mask white color for add more burns. And black color for erase burns. You can change the color light of object. And you can change the object light color. Okay, let's try to change the color of this image to maybe blue. First, change the fire color. Then change the color of pasticles. Then change the color of object. And the color of bones. Okay. Okay, now it's okay. So, ready? Just save. Thanks for watching and good luck.